Dear friends, today we celebrate the 74th independence of our nation. On this joyous occasion, I convey my greetings and good wishes to all the Indians living in this beautiful country and all over the world. I pray for their peace, progress and prosperity. Let us salute today people who fought for the independence of our country and dedicate ourselves to the service of this great nation. Jai Hind.
India had no national anthem when it became an independent country on August 15, 1947. It was adopted as India's national anthem later in the 1950s. The Bengali version of Jana Gana Mana, written by Rabindranath Tagore in 1911, was first sung during the Calcutta session of the Indian National Congress. Although India became independent on July 18, 1947, Lord Mountbatten declared 15th August as the date of independence because this date observed the second anniversary of the surrendering of Japan to the Allied forces during World War II.
I am feeling extremely glad to host this invigorating day on the eve of Independence Day. We, as Indians, very well realize the importance of Independence Day and should be filled with utmost pride to have finally won back our freedom from the shackles of British rule. It gives me sense of immense joy which is indescribable in words when I see our national flag soaring in the wind higher. I'm sure you can relate to my emotion.
British rule in India began in 1757 and following the victory of British at the Battle of Plassey. The English East India Company started exercising its control over the country. The English East India Company ruled for 100 years until it was replaced by direct British rule in the wake of the Indian Mutiny 1857 and 1858.
Celebrated on 15th August, and 15th August is remarkable for two incidents. First, we have got a British rule coming to an end and we have established a very good Indian nation. And secondly, we have got our subcontinents, that is India and Pakistan, have divided into two partitions as a country.
The Indian independence movement began during World War I and was led by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who advocated for a peaceful and non-violent end to end British rule.
Every year, this day is celebrated at Red Fort, New Delhi. In addition, the army performs various tasks, which also includes a March Past cultural program by school students.
The founding fathers of our nation, including the numerous freedom fighters who gave their lives for the country, wanted this nation to be happy and independent.
We celebrate Independence Day to remember the lives that struggled to gain this freedom, as they are the ones who struggled for this for our country. Furthermore, on this day, we have to forget the differences and reunite as a true nation.
India's history is peppered with slogans that are worth remembering. A variety of pithy slogans have caught the imagination of masses. To make you feel more connected, I can tell you something to which you can relate to. Like, in today's world, mostly slogans are told by politicians. So why do they use slogans? They use it to inject energy into the crowd and to make them realize that they hold the same motive. Same was the reason in old times. So now let's get to know some popular slogans which encourage our freedom fighters.
Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. This is a slogan that awakens the innermost sentiments of Jai Hindustan. This slogan is for acknowledging the efforts of our beloved farmers and army men. This slogan gave a new dimension for our freedom struggle. Thank you. Jai Hind.
स्वराज मेरा जनसिद्ध अधिकार है और मैं इसे लेकर रहूंगा. A popular slogan adopted by Bal Gangadhar Tilak was coined by Kaka Baptista in our fight for independence. Not only did this slogan motivate people to fight for their rights, but also provoked the love for the country in the hearts of thousands of people.
One individual may die for an idea, but that idea will, after his death, incarnate itself in 1,000 lives. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हारे आजादी दूंगा.
Vande Mataram. Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay, a poet from Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay's novel 1882, written in Sanskrit and Bengali. Being a phrase to the motherland, it had played a vital role in freedom movement.
Satyameva Jayate, truth alone triumphs, is the literal meaning of the slogan given by Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. It is not only adopted as the national motto of our country, but is also inscribed in script in the national emblem of our country.
To sum it up, gaining independence from Britishers was not easy, and it's because of the struggle and hardship of our freedom fighters that we now live in a free country. On this day, we remember the long battle that our freedom fighter fought and sacrifices that they have made. One of the main motives for celebrating this day is to make the young generation aware of the sacrifices they have made to make this country a better place for us. The youth of our country has the power to change the nation. By means, someone rightly said that future hinge on the young generation. Here it becomes our duty to serve the nation and make every possible efforts to make our country better. Jai Hind.